Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to use our newly implemented feature, the copying to either the full account or from the micros or from the full account to the micros. So I've just set this up, so I've got NSF test 1 as the leader account, I've got test 2 and 3 as the follower accounts inside of instruments. All I did was grab the instruments for the third account, I grabbed the instruments and I moved them over here, and inside of the copy method I'm going to do exact quantity, but I'm going to copy it to MES. So what this does is it's going to copy. So if I trade one contract on the ES, I'm going to be trading one contract on the MES. If you want to trade 2 or 3 or 4 contracts, all you have to do is use a percentage and put in 300%. No rounding, no decimals, and then you hit save, and then you should be good. Now let's put this back to the exact quantity for example's sake. Now we have to make sure that these are active, and I've got NeuroStreet funding test 2 set up with exact quantity, but copying to the ES, the NASDAQ, and the YM from the MES, MYM, and MNQ. We have to turn the master switch on. Hit the save button, and you can see in the bottom right corner that you can see all your changes that have been saved. Then inside of place order, I've already got this set up so you don't have to wait for me to set it up. So I'm just going to place order. And you can see that we got filled 1 ES on the leader account and 1 MES on the follower account. So now I'm going to go and trade the MES with a market order. We'll just wait for this to update. Bam, bam. And then we're going to place the order. So now you can see we've got 4 orders, 1 in test account number 2, 1 in test account number 3, and then 2 orders in test account number 1. So this is all you have to do to copy your trades in between the micro accounts to the normal accounts and vice versa. Fairly simple, right? That's it. Thanks so much. Have an awesome rest of your day, guys. Bye.